Hello everyone, I'm Habib Sheikh. Welcome to my YouTube channel AI Ka Doctor, that is the Doctor of Artificial Intelligence, where we will deep dive into the fascinating world of generative AI and machine learning. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I have been working in IT industry from 20 years with industry leaders like IBM, HCL, Mindtree, Deutsche Bank, and worked on various roles ranging from software engineer to technical architect, with a strong focus on technologies like Java, Spring Boot microservices, Angular, and React.js. But from the past 7 years, I have been deeply engaged in artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. I have a deep understanding on how cutting edge technologies can drive success in our IT field and in our career growth. After earning my master's in computer science, I realized the importance of continual learning, which led me to acquire numerous certifications, which includes Certified Java Programmer, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, that is the CKA, Google Cloud Architect, Azure Cloud Developer, and even PhD in Artificial Intelligence. Throughout my career, I have seen how mastering cutting edge technologies like AI and machine learning can significantly boost your career and salary. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced IT professional, my videos are designed to help you gain the skills needed to excel in high paying roles, such as data scientist, data analyst, AI engineer, generative AI developer, and many more. We will cover the latest AI innovations, practical coding lessons, and hands on project guides that will give you the competitive edge in the job market. But that is not all. This channel is also about solving real world problems using AI. We will tackle end to end projects demonstrating how to apply AI solutions in practical and impactful ways. By understanding these applications, you will be better equipped to solve challenges in your own work, enhancing your value in any IT field. I am passionate about continuous learning new technologies and eager to share my knowledge. You might wonder why start a YouTube channel now? Well, I have been mentoring and sharing my knowledge across various platforms from long time. And with YouTube, I see an opportunity to reach many people, especially since generative AI is rapidly growing field with the limited practical resources. I want to bridge that gap with this channel. Here, I will break down complex industry knowledge into simple, approachable content that span from basic to advanced topics. As generative AI is set to impact every sector, be it IT or non IT, my videos will be beneficial for everyone, including IT professional, non IT professional, computer science student, or whoever are looking to enhance their skills in AI and data science fields. In this channel, I will be releasing a series of videos on Python, data science, generative AI, machine learning, and deep learning. This series will equip you with the knowledge required for highly demanding roles in IT industry, like data scientist, AI engineer, and generative AI developer. My focus will be on practical applications rather than just theory. If you are looking for shortcuts, this might not be the right place for you because these videos require time, efforts, and practice to truly get benefit out of them. I will also guide you on how to align your profiles for specific roles, prepare for job interviews, and conduct effective job searches. Some videos will be specifically tackle end-to-end project completions and real world problem solving. So, if you are serious about upgrading your skills and want to project your career to new height, you are at the right place. Hit the bell icon to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the latest content that is specific to you and to help you succeed. Let's begin on this journey of growth and discovery together and transform not just how we work but how we think about solutions in IT. Let's learn, apply, and lead the future of technology. Thank you for watching this video till the end.